How to fix cannot uninstall games on Xbox console issue. Here are some troubleshooting steps to try for uninstalling games on an Xbox console. Press the Xbox button on your controller to open the guide. Go to My Games and Apps, then highlight the game you want to uninstall and press the menu button, formerly Start button. Select Uninstall and confirm. If the uninstall option is grayed out or not appearing, try doing a hard reset of the console by holding down the power button for 10 seconds. Reboot and check if you can uninstall after. Go to the Manage tab in My Games and Apps and select Free Up Space. It will let you select games to uninstall. Delete the game save data and reserved space under Storage Settings. Sometimes leftover data can prevent a clean uninstall. Make sure any game add-ons, season passes, etc. are also uninstalled for the main game to uninstall properly. For disk-based games, insert the disk and uninstall from that menu rather than the Games and Apps screen. On an Xbox One, hold down the sync and eject buttons together for 10 seconds to reset the console cache, then try uninstalling again. As a last resort, you can reset your console to factory defaults to remove all games, but you'll have to reinstall everything.